Hey LEGO fans, welcome back to another exciting review. Today we're diving into the world of light kits for LEGO sets, specifically the light kit for LEGO Speed Champion set number 76917, Nissan Skyline GTR R34. As a heads up, this light kit was provided to me by Game of Bricks, and link in description if you want to get your own. Now, before we jump into the details, I want to mention that I had an overall positive experience with this light kit, but as with any review, I'll be honest about my experience, including the negatives, so let's get started. First off, let's talk about the installation. The light kit came neatly packaged with all the necessary components and instructions. Instructions can be found on the Game of Bricks website or through the QR code in the packaging. The instructions could be easier to navigate. I had to exit once I finished a bag to find the next starting point instead of just going ahead to the next section. However, the installation process was relatively straightforward and the end result was truly impressive. Just look at those lights. They bring a whole new level of life and excitement to this LEGO set and enhances the overall visual appeal and adds a touch of realism. It's like the set has come alive. However, I did encounter a minor issue during the installation. One of the wires had to be resoldered, which was a bit of a hassle, but thankfully it was an easy fix and everything worked perfectly afterwards. Now here's the one thing that I wish could have been included, the ability for the car to still be moved with the lights on. Unfortunately, due to battery size limitations, that's not currently possible, but hey, let's not dwell on what we can't have when there's so much to enjoy about this light kit. All in all, I must say this light kit has truly enhanced my LEGO building experience. The illuminated details add depth and immersion, making it a standout display piece. And that wraps up our review of the light kit for LEGO Speed Champion set number 76917, Nissan Skyline GTR R34. Despite the minor hiccup, I highly recommend this kit for anyone looking to take their LEGO creations to the next level. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next review. Happy building!